Directions for Week 3, Module 1, Employee Wellness Program. Go ahead and open the Start file. The other file is a preview sample of the finished copy. And this is similar to the one we just did. If you were to look at this, to view it, one page, you can see that it's very dull. It's all the same font type and font size. So I'm going to change it to 100%. I'll start with the title. So I'm pointing on the line of the title, so all I have to do is click, or I could click and drag. And you can select any font. I'm going to use Kristen, ITC. I've used that before. And again, the size, whatever you'd like, and font color. And I like bold. And then you can center it. And if you want to get into text effects and choose outline, outline is usually a darker color around the letters, if you would like that. And you can go back and choose shadow, the outer. Again, you have to go back each time, reflection and glow, whatever you'd like. Next, we'll change, there's 4 side headings, and I'm going to point and click on one. And then instead of just changing that one and doing the next one and the next one, I'm going to do them all at the same time. So I'll hold Control, and I'll point and select, and hold Control. And I'm going to scroll down, let go of Control so you can scroll down, hold Control again, and click. So there should be 4 of them. And I'm going to increase the size to 12, put it in bold, and go with red. Size 12, bold, and red. And they all 4 of them are completed at the same time. The other way, if I just select one of them and I change this one to 12, bold, and the red is already there because I've used it recently, and then I want to do this same formatting changes to the other 3, I would double click the Format Painter, and then it changes where that has a little paintbrush attached to it, and you can either just click once on that line, or you can also drag and hold. Don't go too far. And then make sure, because the paintbrush is still on, that you turn it off by clicking it once. Either way, as long as you have changed all the side headings to 12, bold, and red. The next item will be in numbered order, so go ahead and select the 3 under Need for a Wellness Program, and you can either select the default or change it to, I'm going to go with the parentheses this time. And then for benefits of a wellness program, those 3 items, we'll put in a bullet, which is the default is a solid circle, or go ahead and go into, I've already selected the medical symbol, and to do that, you go to Define New Bullet, Picture, and in the search, medical symbol, and then go ahead and select it. So I'm just going to go back out here and go into my bullets. It comes up as recently used, and there you have it. There'll be 2 new ones that you need to add. In the numbered section, go to the end of number 2, press enter, you'll get a new 3, and type the new item. For the bulleted section, we're going to add a new number 2, so go to the end of 1 and press enter, and then fill in that item. Next, we'll remove the hyperlink. So anywhere in the hyperlink, right-click and choose Remove Hyperlink. And the next thing we'll do is we'll insert a picture. I use the medical symbol again, so picture, online, medical symbol. You can just pick something else. I'm going to go with this, insert. And to get rid of this is an unknown author, if you click that box and if you right click on the line, you can choose cut. So you get rid of that. And then for the layout options, because right now you can't move it freely, go to layout options and choose tight. And I'm going to make it, so I'm going to go to the diagonal, make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to close the layout options first, make it a little bit smaller. Make sure you choose tight, and then maybe go to the corner, make it a little bit smaller, and then to move it, always move and hold with the left mouse when it's the 4 arrows, and then drag it, make it just a little bit smaller so it's out of the paragraph. Now, to make a copy of it, you could come over here and click copy and then paste to get another one. But with it selected, if you hold Control, it changes to an arrow and a plus sign, and you just hold and drag, and you can have another one on the other side. Then, if you view one page, you'll notice that it's the top 1-inch margin, but there's much more space at the bottom of the document. So in Layout, under Page Setup Group, click the dialog box. If you were there recently, it's still on the Layout tab, and change it to Center, and it'll put it right in the middle of the document. And now we'll add border and page color. So it's in Design, Page Border, and I found one at the very end that kind of looked like vital signs. And you can select whatever you'd like. This is the one that I chose. And then I changed the color to red, and I kept it at 20. And then if you want to add page color, looks like Christmas, go maybe gray. And there you have it. That's a save and submit. Thank you.